everyone. So today I am thrilled to talk you about the dawn of new era in technology and innovation, one that is not just on the horizon but already upon us. That's the era of agentic AI. So at this pivotal moment, we must recognize that artificial intelligence is no longer merely evolving. It is fundamentally revolutionizing how we understand and interact with the digital landscape. So agentic AI marks a significant departure from traditional systems that are primarily focused on data processing. So this transformative technology redefines our interaction with machines, revolutionizing problem-solving methodologies within the business across various industries. So the integration of agentic AI is streamlining operations, enhancing efficiency, and unlocking opportunities for innovation and growth. So organizations that embrace this technology are not just staying ahead, they are redefining the competitive edge in our increasingly digital central world. So imagine a future where AI systems transcend their conventional roles to become collaborators, problem solvers, and innovators. So here is the role of agentic AI. So their future is not distant dream but an imminent reality. Its applications spanning manufacturing, healthcare, and creative domains, reshaping our interactions with technology and the way businesses address the most complex challenges. So at the core of this revolution are AI agents, that is autonomous entities designed to perform tasks, make decisions, and interact with the environment in ways that mirror human intelligence. So these agents are distinguished by their autonomy, adaptability, proactiveness, setting them apart from traditional AI systems. So this operates independently, learn and evolve from their surroundings, and proactively engage with their environment to fulfill their objectives. So the transformative power of agentic workflows has been demonstrated by Andrew Ng's team at AI Funds, illustrate a leap in performance that underscored the collaboration potential of AI agents. The benefit of adopting agentic workflows includes enhanced performance, unparalleled adaptability, and increased efficiency. So attributes that position agentic AI as a revolutionary force capable of transformative industries. So the implications of agentic AI are profound, with the potential to revolutionize customer service, cybersecurity, healthcare, transportation, logistics, and financial services. Furthermore, the role of Gen AI models in empowering these agents with reasoning capability cannot be overstated, enhancing problem solving and fostering human AI collaboration. However, the transition to agentic AI is not merely a technological upgrade but a strategic shift that requires careful consideration. So, enterprises are encouraged to embark on this journey through targeted pilot projects, skill set evolution, and re-engineering processes for a human AI partnership, all while navigating the ethical challenges responsibly. So Akira AI stands at the forefront of the transformation, so offering end-to-end services for building, deploying, and managing agentic workflows. So as we embrace the potential of agentic AI, let's do so strategically and responsibly, ensuring a future where machines become adaptable partners in addressing our most pressing challenges. Thank you for your attention. Let us look forward to a future shaped by the incredible potentials by agentic AI. Thank you.